Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back. I just want to give a little update. Just want to show off all our stuff that we got, all our products. We're doing a little bit of organizing here in the storage. Clean some stuff out. Yeah, there's our storage bin. It has, for whatever reason, it has a ton of water in there. I don't know where it came from. There's Edgar over there.
What's up? It's hot today.
Yeah. There's our water tank. We did a job the other day where we needed it. Water pump. There's a little water pump. I think that's Edgar's. We're refilling some chemicals. There's some of our equipment that we're just trying to figure out what we need and what we don't need. Some chemicals we're trying to refill. Some of our hoses. Some more chemicals. This is our extractor, our steamer. And then there's our other container over there. And then there's our other stuff. But yeah, we're just doing a little bit of cleaning up, trying to figure out what all the equipment we need, trying to clean everything and all that. We did get some new products over here. Some of our new products are Exoforma, Optimum no rinse, some more Exoforma Real Renew. We just got this tire shine. We gotta try it out, see how that works out. Some more chemicals. But yeah, we're pretty stocked up. Hopefully, we've been getting a little bit busier this summer. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on. You guys anything to say, Edgar?
No, it's hot today. Gotta stay busy.
Yeah.
We have too many clients today, so we decided just to, organize everything that we have, because since we have two different sets, sometimes as Nathan is working alone, he takes the smaller set, and then we have our big container over here. But since a lot of times we'll have some chemical spill, or we just have like dirty rags in there, gotta clean it up. It's just, I don't know, it's just part of the job. Try to make it clean. But yeah, this is what we're working on today. Hopefully we could get everything nice and organized pretty quick, because I'm dying out here.
Yeah, that Texas heat is pretty killer. Yeah, it's pretty bad out here. But yeah, I just want to give you a quick update on everything. Let you know how we're doing. Yeah, it's been busy. It's been busy. Got a few washes booked already. But yeah, I guess I'll talk to y'all later. I'll let y'all give y'all more updates here in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.